Everyone, I'm the Tax Pro. Today we're going to talk about adding a customer to Odoo. This is the dashboard for Odoo. This is the accounting app. So you'll see right here, we're in accounting. You navigate to that right here. So we're in the accounting app, we're in the dashboard here, and this is for our demo company. So to add a customer, what we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to go to customers. This is now going to show us all of the different potential customers. To create a new one, we're going to click new, and then we are going to start typing. So let's say that we have Sherry's, and this is, so what this is going to do is this is going to pop up some different companies across the US. Okay, so since this is a US based company, so let's say this is going to be our new client. And then we're going to go ahead and put address. Things that can be kind of hard for some people is this is going to, pull from across the world. So Odoo is primarily a foreign company. It's a software used by foreign companies. It is recently coming into the US. So a lot of this stuff is going to be more worldwide sort of accounting and setup than what we may be used to. So you can go ahead and put the phone there, email, website, and then we can also put any sort of tags. So maybe we want to tag this as a lawn care, and we can go ahead and create that tag. Tax ID number. So you will want to have a tax ID number for any particular companies that you either are not charging sales tax for because they're going to sell these items, any vendors that you may need to issue a 1099 to, etc. So I'm just going to kind of make up a tax ID number, and then we can add contacts here. So this is a company, but we can go ahead and add contacts, and we can add a couple different types of contacts. So we can have just a regular contact. We can have where we need to send invoices. We can have delivery contacts, follow-up addresses, and other. So we can put anybody in here. So maybe we'll do an invoice. So we have Smith, and she's Janice at cherryscare.com, and we'll just put her phone number in here. I got enough numbers, and then you can put some information. So maybe she is So now we have Janice over here, and you can have additional contacts as well. If you go to sales and purchasing, sales right here. So if we want a salesperson, we can put the payment terms here. So I'm going to explain what the payment terms here are. So these are kind of default for Odoo. You can create other types of payment terms. So we can have immediate payment. We can have due in 15, 21, 30, 45 days. We can have it due at the end of the following month. We can have it due 10 days after the end of the next month. We can have 30% due now, the balance is 60 days, all sorts of stuff. And then we can have payment methods. So we can have manual payments or batch payments to this particular bank account. And this fiscal information, you probably do not need to input any sort of fiscal information for them. When it comes to, so that's for sales. Purchases is going to be more for vendors. I will explain this information when I go over entering a vendor into Odoo. Now, when we go to accounting, this is going to give us some additional information. So this is going to go ahead and have banks. We can put invoice follow-up information. Do we want to follow up with invoices automatically, manually? What's our next reminder? Who at our company is responsible for following up? Do we send invoices? All of that. So this is all dealing with internal accounting items. And then we can also put internal ones. So maybe we put, special pricing on grass seed or something along those lines. Maybe we're selling grass seed. And then once you are all set, then you save this and then you have a custom. So we can save manually here. And then if we go to our list of customers, you'll notice a couple different things. One, we have Sherry's Lawn Care here, or Cherry's Lawn Care, but then we also have Janice as part of Cherry's Lawn Care. And let's say that we know that we want to reach out to Cherry's Lawn Care. Or not sure who, and we want to fill up all of our contacts here. We could go ahead and just type in Cherry's and search that, and then it will pull up the company itself and any contacts that we have there. So this is customer to Odoo. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you found this video helpful, please feel free to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.